another day of meal preparation para sa baon ni Mishka. Gagawa ako ng cupcake sa kanya gamit yung oatmeal or yung oats and cocoa powder.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say.
We'll add this, sunflower and pumpkin seed. And then add din ako ng
scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black. When you look at me like that, look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to
Mommy, provide
Wow, look at that.
Mommy,
It became Peppa Pig. This one. Wow, it's so cool. Like it? Is it good? Aww. Okay. So, ito yung kanyang baon for school. Oatmeal cupcake. May kagat na yung isa.
No.
And yung kanyang fruits, apple and cucumber.
No.
Yan yung kanyang baon.
No.
What? No.
No.
Uy. Ito yung lulutuin ko ngayon guys, yung rajma or yung kidney beans. Ano to yung mix na red and white kidney beans. Then ilalagay ko na yung aking kidney beans. And then, hayaan ko na lang na mag-simmer konti. And then, lalabas din ako kasi bibili ako ng ano, ang dami ng sabaw. Lalabas din ako guys after nito, after kong maluto ito, bibili ako ng manok, i-partner ko dito, fried chicken. Ito na yung aming rajma. Luto na yan. So now, let's go. It's 10:58 ng tanghali. So, meron pa akong isang oras at kalahati para magawa yung mga dapat kong gawin. So, bili tayo ng chicken sa labas. Malapit lang naman. Ang init, iniisip ko magdala ng ng payong. Kaya lang dito hindi uso yung gumagamit ng payong kapag mainit. Pag may ulan lang sila gumagamit ng payong. Parang nakakahiya naman. Yung malaking payong lang kasi yung andito, yung maliit dala ata ni Audrey. hindi ako nagdala ng payong. Tignan nyo, mukhang uulan. Pero makakabalik din naman ako kasi sandali lang yung kailangan kong lakarin. Meron din ditong chicken shop pero doon ako sa kabila bumibili. Kasi parang ang bait ng mga nagtitinda doon kumpara dito. So doon ako sa kabila. So tayo. Dito ako bumibili guys. One kilo chicken
Skin order?
with skin. Ito na yung aking chicken. 1 kilo. Hindi na ako. Malapit na talaga kami guys. Yun nga lang yung pabalik sa bahay. Paakyat itong daanan namin. Ano parang bukid eh. Medyo mataas siya. So, ito lang yung nakakapagod na part. Pero, the rest, yung pagbaba. Tapos, dyan, kanto na. Malapit lang. (10:58) ako umalis dito, no? Tingnan niyo anong oras pa lang. Nakakahinga na lang yung packet. 11:12. Less than 15 minutes. Nung naglalakad ako doon pababa, tumawag si Abhi. Sabi niya hindi daw siya uuwi dito. Kasi meron silang puja kaninang umaga. Kaya early siya umalis kanina. Kasi meron puja or prayer dun sa kanilang office. Meron daw silang breakfast. So marami yung kinain niya. So sabi niya hindi siya uuwi for lunch. Sabi ko nagluto ako rajma rice. And pababa ako ngayon para bumili ng chicken. Para fried chicken partner sa ating rajma. Sabi niya sige titingnan niya kung makakauwi siya mga 2 or 3. Tawa-tawa ako sa kanya kasi sabi niya, saan ka na naman pupunta? Sabi niya, gala ka lang ng gala dyan ha. Ang sarap ng life ha. Nung last time na bumili ako, last week lang, ng chicken, yung kilo is parang 230. Ngayon, 200 na lang yung kilo ng manok. Balot ko yan sa newspaper and then another balot sa loob. Doon sa binibilhan ko ng chicken, meron din silang pork. Kaya lang parang hindi ko gusto yung itsura ng pork nila. So hindi pa ako bumili doon. Meron din doon malapit lang na pork shop. Dalawa actually. So doon ako muna magta-try. Kasi parang malaking ano siya. Maganda yung kanilang banner. Parang ang linis. So titingnan ko doon next time. Doon ako bibili ng pork. Kalahati lang yung lutuin ko. Oh my God, nilagyan ako nito ng atay.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away.
Tapos na ako sa aking mga gawaing bahay. I still have an hour to edit ng vlog before ko sunduin si Mishka sa school. Let's do our work. Kahapon hindi kasi ako nakapag-upload. So, dapat meron tayong upload today. Nagsisimula ng umulan guys, naririnig ko. Buti nakauwi ako dito sa bahay.
I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Baby, you're mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me.
7 minutes before 12:30. And ayoko ma-late kasi kahapon, hindi naman kami late ni Abby. Parang eksakto na 12 namin siya sinundo kahapon, diba, Independence Day. Dapat 12:30 yung uwian nila, pero kahapon early out sila, 12 lang. So mga 12 din kami pumunta dun. Tapos marami na palang mga estudyante yung nakalabas. Tapos sila ni Mishka naghihintay na sa loob na kung kailan darating yung sundo. Pagdating namin, may mga sipon-sipon na siya. Basta yung kanyang mata ng luha. Kasi alam ko yung eyelashes niya. Dumidikit-dikit. So alam ko na umiyak siya. So sabi ko, bakit siya umiiyak? Yung inaalala ko baka, alam mo yung inaway siya, may nakaaway, gano'n. Sabi niya, I'm waiting, mommy. Parang yun yung sabi niya. So, doon ko na-realize na naghihintay pala siya kasi never pa akong malate, guys, na nagsundo sa kanya. Yun lang kahapon kasi inihintay talaga namin na mag-12. Kasi nga, baka may program, gano'n. Yun pala, may mga ibang estudyante na nakauwi. Tapos siya naghihintay pa sa amin. So, yun siguro umiiyak siya. Sinisipon-sipon pa siya. So, alam ko talaga na umiiyak siya. So, parang nakonsensya ako na na-late kami sa pagsundo sa kanya na naghihintay pala siya doon. Na parang iniisip niya na first time to na siya yung naghihintay sa akin sa school. So, ayokong mali talaga. 12:27. I think kakayaning maluto ito before ako umalis kasi check ko lang dun sa pintuan if meron na bang mga magulang na naghihintay dun sa gate. Wala pa naman or dahil umaambon. Pero I think kakayanin to. 1-2 minutes. Nagluto na yung aking fried chicken. Check natin ulit. Meron ng mga sumusundo. Meron na naghihintay. Meron ng isang nanay. So, siguro, ayan na. Pasok na ako. Try natin ulit pagbalik mamaya. My student is back. Una niyang kinuha yung kanyang book. Did you eat your food?
Yes, check.
Check. Check natin yung kanyang baon. If naubos ba? Ay! Good job! Dalawa yung cupcake niya and ito lang yung natira. Pero yung kanyang fruits, hindi ganun kadami yung kanyang nakain. Good job, Mish! Hindi lang maintindihan pero song yan sa kanilang school siguro. Anong song yan? Ang grabe ang tagsing. Okay, yan yung kanyang song guys sa school. Our lunch is ready. Rajma and chicken. Ayan naman kay Mishka. Let's go na. Wash hands first. Huh? Wash hands tayo. Come on. Mimi, your baby Jasmine is here, oh. Sit down properly. Sit down. This one. This is yours. Tell them, kain tayo.
Happy tayo.
Mainit-init pa yung aming chicken, kaya wala pa siyang ganang kumain. Crispy. Yum yan. Tama na.
My first dish to got this sticker.
Yummy chicken ba? Tama na. I'll get spoon. You want spoon? Kain tayo, guys. Come on na. I'm so hungry pala. It's crispy. You like it? Okay. Nakain siya ng rajma. Sabi ko kasi, jelly bean. Hindi kidney beans. You like jelly bean? Yummy. You want more? I'll give you. Red jelly bean or white? White. Hi, jelly bean. This one is good. This is big jelly bean. Wow. Nilabas ko na yung isa kong gawang ghee, homemade ghee. Kasi ubos na yung ginagamit ko. Ngayon ay mag-toast lang ako ng tinapay para kay Mishka. Pang snacks. Plano ko sana lumabas. Umuulan pala. Kailangan kong bumili ng vinegar, baking soda, panglinis. Gusto ko kasi magpunas-punas, guys. Dito kasi kailangan mo talagang magpunas-punas para ma-maintain mo yung mga gamit sa bahay, yung mga walls, yung mga counter. Dahil nga sa weather. So, wala na kaming vinegar. Naubos na ng isang araw. Pero umuulan. So, titingnan ko mamaya if makakalabas kami before umuwi si Abhe para sabay kami umuwi dito. Kasi wala din kami mga gulay. Nag-vlog ako. Pumunta din siya kasi gusto niyang masama sa vlog. You want to be in my vlog? You want to be in my video? No? Okay, no problem.
Mommy, I just said baby.
Oh no. Give me your plate. Your plate is here.
Hi. Hi, little Bobby. Happy night, bed.
One fell off its head.
I want to wear my makeup. I want to wear my tie.
Like that. You have to play with it. Parang bumaba yung nilagay ko na ano, na cord. Parang isang pataasan ulit. Tingnan nyo yung pinapatayo dito ng aming landlord. Pagdating namin, wala pa ito. Diyan pa lang siya na ground. Pero ngayon, malapit na silang matapos dito. Diba? Siguro apartment din to. I'm not sure lang if papaupahan ba ito or dito titira yung landlord namin or not sure. Kasi yung bahay ng aming landlord, guys, nasa baba. Meron pa dyan. Ito yung ground floor. Ayan. Yan yung ground floor. Diyan kami nakapark ngayon. Tapos meron pa yan sa baba. Diyan talaga yung bahay ng aming landlord. Parang ka-height nitong ito. Bahay na to. So, ground, first, and second floor itong pinapatayo nila ngayon. Malapit na silang matapos. And hindi na umuulan ngayon. Pwede na kaming lumabas ni Mishka. Ito din yung maganda dito. Umuulan siya. Pero maya-maya lang, tumitila. So, may time ka makalabas. And may time din na nasa loob ka lang ng bahay. Pasok na muna natin ito. Bukan.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black when you look at me like that. Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen.
Katawag lang ni Abhigay, siya din nagsabi na ang dami daw turista ngayon kasi kahapon holiday. Tapos ngayon Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So yung iba, ginagawa yan nilang long holiday. So puno ngayon dito ng turista daw doon sa market area, sabi ni Abhi. Kami ngayon sa more hypermarket. Guys, okay, don't bring na. We'll get later. So, ito yung mga nabili namin sa Smart Bazaar, guys. Nauna kami kay Ab, hindi na namin siya nahintay kasi matagal pa siya. Kanina pa kami dumating eh. Eggplant. Tapos meron doon silang cassava, balinghoy. Ano sa Tagalog yung balinghoy? Ito ba? Bumili ako. Gusto ko ito ilaga. Sponge, musami, battle gourd. Tapos ito vinegar. Ano pa ba yung pinili ko? Cucumber ito. And itong isa. Nakalimutan ko na. Guava. Kasi yung prutas namin paubos na. Ito na lang kasi yung natira sa prutas namin dito. Pakakainin ko muna si Mish kasi yun pa din yung aming ulam. Kasi marami yung aming rajma. Meron pa nga natirang samosa from yesterday. Ay, makakapagod yung aming lakad ni Mishka kasi marami akong bit-bit. Ini-expect ko kasi na si Abhe. Susunduin niya kami. Ha? You want, ha? What? Yeah. You wanna eat now? You eat now? Huh? Kain muna kami, guys. And tama yung sinabi ni Abhi kanina, Han, you're correct. So many people are there.
Yeah, it's full.
Yeah, as in, marami yung sa mga restaurant, tas mga naglalakad sa daan, maraming turista ngayon guys, kasi kahapon Independence Day nga. Tas ngayon Friday, tas Sabado, Linggo, holiday. So, yung iba ginagawa nilang 4 days holiday yan. Maraming tao dun sa labas. Maraming sasakyan, medyo matraffic. Kain tayo. It's not for you, this is for Daddy. Because Raksha Bandhan is coming, so ito yung pinadala ni Honey for Abhi. This is the Rakhi. Let me see the Rakhi. Yan. Bracelet na itatay sa kay Abhi. Like the symbol of their bond. Ang dami ko ng vlog about Raksha Bandhan guys, and palagi kong sinasabi ko ano yung purpose nitong Rakhi. And ano to?
Slowly.
Wow! Wow! It's a gold and silver plated na cute na bowl and spoon. Ito yung gift niya from Honey. Yung sa kanya naman, meron din siyang pinadala doon kay Honey.
I will eat in this Mishka. Okay. One
Yeah.
is for mommy and one is for daddy.
One for me. Yeah, sister-in-law also.
This is for tika baby, Rolly. Okay.
Maybe there's a card.
Card?
No matter how far or near we are, young or old we grow, this day always bring back wonderful times we had together. I wish that your life is filled with happiness and love. Happy Rakhi.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's or maybe this one. Dear bro, Rakhi is a perfect time to tell you just how special you are. Ye bandhan hai pyar ka. Like, I love you so much.
Bandhan means like
Brother.
knot. Or
Knot.
so this knot is of
This
love.
knot is
Of love.
of love. Okay. Say goodnight to them.
So thank you, Bua.
Thank you, Bua. Actually, si Mishka, meron din siyang gift from Ane kasi brother and sister sila. Kung sa kay Mishka naman is nagpadala siya ng Rakhi doon kay Ane. Tapos, meron ding pinadala si Honey. In-order niya online para kay Mishka. But it's not arriving today. It will arrive on 21st.
Yeah.
What will you say?
Thank you watch my video and everybody that is subscribe press the button. Yeah, my slide press the button.
If you like what? Aray!
Thank you watch my video. Yeah, my video. Please like subscribe.
If you like my video, please like and subscribe.